Number 24, first base basket. First basket of the game, 2-3, 2-0.
Okay, ito rebound, connect.
Number 11. Uy, sakto ang pasa. Ang daming dinaan ng tao, dalawa.
13.
Score, 4-2.
Nice move. By number 22. Oh, yan.
Ang lakad lali agad. Sa pangatlong pagkakataon, nakashoot din. First personal foul. Second team foul, almost two. Ito na sila kanlali. Bars, easy basket, may lakad lali. Ahagi ka naman.
Number 22, nagsabi ko.
Diretso mo. Score, 20.
Sayang.
Wala pa rin. Connects by number 22. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Lakay lali agad. Score, 12-10. In favor of 2003. Peralta. Connects by Peralta. Number 29. That is number 13. Pass to Tabiglan. Fires, connects. Passes. Tabiglan. Connects. Score. 2 minutes left. Makes a move. Connects. 5 na ng pass. Setting a play. 2. Peralta, partial 3. Bang! Peralta, 3 points. Partial 3 by number 13. Wala na. Rebound. Moving man. Basic 5. Sa basket. Wala na ito. Nasusupan si Palis sa Connect. May berarti nariba niya number 11. Sumura. Gusto na lang. Magaling sumura. Number 29. Fires Connect. Using the glass by number 29. Hop. To number 8. Susad. Number 27. Connect by number 17. Wala. Nariba ni number 11. Wala ba? Kanino? Kay number 9. Number 4. Correct. 89. Score 21-20 in favor of 2003. 21. Nice play. Ito na. Ito na 2001. 1 versus 2. Connect. To number 18. Ano lalim yun? Gusto nyo mahirap na isip. 2 versus 1. Nice play. Sayang. Connect. By number 4. In and out. Bigla plaza pa. Plaza basket. Number. Wala pa rin. Connect. By number 10. Lamangan 2009 ng dalawa. Number 65. Susit ang glass. Connect. Pinapla po. Number 14. Wala. Naribon. Number 18. 19 pala. Tiara. To number Pahato. Connect sa back-to-back basketball basket. Connect by number 16. Lakad lalo next sa move. Connect. Muro.
Number 55, ito lakad kakli. Nalibre na 3-5. Alex.
And to basket. Number 24. Number 24. Connect. Into basket. Overpass. Plaza basket. Who's putting my passes? Tulakan lalo. Connect. Lamang na po. Ito na siya. Diretso. Ginatong hole. Connect. Lamang na po. To Peralta. Kaling to Peralta. Peralta. 3 points. Nasa break to number 16. Colin. Nice own by number 29. Up. 5 straight by 1. To number. Up. Hesitate Samira. Connect by number 14. 3 points. Passes make a move. Iba na ang malaki. 9. So 9. Number 14. Nice paint. Peralta. Connect. Number 29. Connect.
Aquino.
Number 24, connect. Into basket.
Lakan lalo. Lakan lalo nito.
Connect. Oh, nice play.
18.
Pass to number 22, connect.
Olin. Maximum pass. Connect.
Iscarta. Number 22, pass to Ruben. Iscarta, 3 points. Number 19, connect. Ano eh?
Lani. Number 22 again. Wala. Naliban na pa ito. Page pass. Connect. Ang lakas si number 10. Tulang ang lalo sa side pass sa 2. Penalty. 3 points. Lalo. Lakan lalo. Correct sa back-to-back basket. May lakan lalo.
Still in number 22, into basket.
Olin. Number 15. Wala pa rin. Napagod na yata. Connect. Pagod na. Passes to number 9. Connect. Number 9. Connect. 85-83. Wataru. Penalty. Narito ni number 9. Number 9 pass. Connect. Tama na tayo ngayon. Tama na. Leolin number 16. Makes a move. Connect. Lamang na mo. Change favor.
Uy, na-kill. Sumobra sa relax, Blanca. Number 22, connect.
Lalo. Itatabla kaya nila lalo. Connect. 89 all. 1 minute and 40. Digit lang.
Bigit lang ang laban. Number 28, ang lapit, connect.
Wala na to. Hey, medyo ko na. Tabi na. Watang mo pa.
Okay. Okay. Back to the ball game. Bonus man. Corby Vaz connects. 93-92. To number 55. Pinabahan niya muna ang bola. Oh, Batman! Number 24, Corby connects. 94-93. 31 seconds left. 31. Number 24 connects. 97-92. 6 seconds left. 6 seconds sa dulo nagkatalo. Five short. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. May 1 second pa. Okay na? Okay, let's shoot it out. Okay. Close game.